All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So experience. 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 To be smart. Smart and wise from things that have happened. I experienced a lot while I was there, yeah. We experienced all sorts of things in the desert, where we saw and did all sorts of things. Yeah. Those experiences, those challenges, those things, those events made us experience all kinds of emotions. Their experiences shaped who they are today. Yes, that was an experience worth remembering. Yes, those experiences were unique. Very good. Yeah. His experiences were vast. Yes, as a doctor, his experiences are vast. He knows a lot of things. Very smart. Yeah. She experienced something new. Yes. My experience was well earned. Yes. I spent a lot of time with those experiences. He will be experiencing a lot from this adventure. Yes. She might be experiencing some homesickness. Experiencing some homesickness. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So experience. So, can you use experience in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. But let's keep exploring.